Here's a Samsung refrigerator which is 8 years old. Water doesn't work. Ice maker doesn't work. It doesn't produce any ice. Refrigerator is accumulating water constantly at the bottom of the shelf. I just cleaned it up so you can't see it, but this is all constantly full of water. The water drips into the flex zone, which makes all your food basically covered in water. Pretty disgusting. The Twin Cooling Plus, this thing, is constantly freezing up, so you gotta take off the cover, clean up the ice. As you see, if you look really close, there's already ice here on this metal part. You see all this accumulation here on the ice maker. Even though ice maker is empty, because as I said, it quit working a while back. That's how you have to close it. And the last thing that just happened recently, when you open the drawer, there's so-called the flex zone. Well, that doesn't work anymore. And just to let you know, we barely use this refrigerator. Most of the time, this refrigerator sits home. Nobody opens the door for most of the day. It's only in the evening when we make dinner, or in the early morning to make breakfast. But the majority of the day, this refrigerator stays completely open. So, I mean, it's completely closed, and nobody opens the door or keeps the door open for a long period of time. So, Samsung, you make the terrible appliances. This is the only Samsung appliance that I have in my house. Everything else is Whirlpool, and everything else has been working perfectly fine. I bought everything at the same time. If you don't believe me, just Google issues with Samsung refrigerators, ice makers, and freezing up. My advice, it's junk. Never buy it.